number 2026-001 on April 8, 2026, kahit na-submit nyo na yung liquidation noong 2023 pa lamang, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
At habang this is in the middle of the Committee on Justice hearings, correct?
Di kasi ako di kasi ako nakikinig sa TV at saka sa radio, Your Honor, kung mga about balita-balita, Your Honor. Kaya dili ko makasagot.
Ma'am Gina, kaya po ba paulit-ulit ang sagot nyo kanina? Kasi paulit-ulit lang rin po yung tanong sa inyo.
Objection, that's vague.
I withdraw,
Vague.
Your Honor.
Vague. Nice try, vague.
I withdraw the question, Your Honor.
You should.
So withdrawn.
Nice try.